So order of operations, here we are at challenge level 3. Process is exactly the same in terms of the steps you use. So you kind of have the tune of the song perhaps in your head. Start with your grouping symbols, grouping symbols. So we're going to look for, if we start with number 1 here, we're going to look for any grouping symbols. Well, we have some. Boop-a-doo, yay. So we're going to simplify everything that we can inside of those grouping symbols, in this case, parentheses. So 36 divided by 4 can be simplified down to 9. And then we're going to drop down everything we haven't used, so 17 minus 9. And then we say exponents. Exponents don't have any. Multiply, divide, left to right, don't have any. So here we are at add, subtract, left to right. So we just do our 17 minus 9. And we end up with 8. It's great. So if we do this one over here, we have a few more steps, but the process is going to be exactly the same. So we'll start with grouping symbols, grouping symbols. So we find some and we say, yes, we can simplify in there. So 3 minus 2 is 1. We're going to drop down everything we haven't used. 12 divided by 4 plus what we just simplified times 7. Grouping symbols, grouping symbols. We still have this one. I dropped it down, but there's nothing left inside of here to simplify. So we'll move on. Exponents, exponents, don't have any. Multiply, divide, left to right. So we have some of both. We have some division, we have some multiplication, and we're going to solve them in the order of how they appear in the expression, in this sort of expression here, in left to right order. So first we're going to do 12 divided by 4, which is 3, and then we're going to drop down everything we haven't used. Come on. And then we're going to say multiply, divide, left to right. Oh, there's our multiplication, so let's go ahead and solve that. 3 plus, well, 1 times 7 can be simplified to 7. This is a 3. And then we say add, subtract, left to right. Well, all we have is one addition problem, so 3 plus 7 is 10. So we've simplified this expression here from this big long thing, utilizing the order of operations to be equivalent to 10.